electrical energy and power. So now our intention is to calculate electrical energy dissipated in a circuit. So let us consider a conductor with endpoints A and B. Let a potential difference V is applied across the ends as shown in this diagram. Let us say R is its resistance. So V is the potential difference applied across it. Let us say I is the current flowing through the circuit. So current I flows through the conductor AB. So now to derive the expression for electrical power, let us say a charge delta Q is transferred from A to B in time delta T. Then as charge delta Q moves from A to B, change in potential energy is delta U, that should be equal to V into delta Q, charge into potential difference, that should be change in potential energy. But as you move from A to B, A is connected to positive of the battery, B is connected to negative. So A is at higher potential, B is at lower potential. So potential energy decreases. So it will be minus V into delta Q. So negative sign here indicates that there is loss of potential energy. So you are moving in the direction of decrease of potential. That's why there is decrease in potential energy. Now this loss in potential energy should appear as kinetic energy of the charge, right? So assuming that there is no loss of energy during the propagation of the charge, so this should be equal to increase in kinetic energy. Loss in potential energy should result in increase in kinetic energy. So change in kinetic energy will be positive. Positive means it is increased, negative means it is decreased. So potential energy decreases, kinetic energy should increase. Now we know that by definition of current, I is equal to delta Q by delta T. So this implies delta Q is equal to I delta T. So hence delta K can be written as V I delta T. So this should be increase in kinetic energy. Now if the charges move from one end to other without collision, the kinetic energy of the charge should increase. But if you consider the concept of drift speed, the average acceleration of free charges should be 0. So average acceleration of free charges should be 0. Because of this, they arrive at constant speed called drift speed, right? Due to this, they arrive at constant speed called drift speed. So average acceleration is 0 means velocity of charges cannot increase. When velocity cannot increase, then what happens? Kinetic energy cannot increase. So there is no increase in kinetic energy because they arrive at the concept of at the drift speed. So this implies during collisions, the energy gained by the charges is shared with the metal ions and atoms. This results in vibration of atoms with large amplitude. So atoms vibrate. This kinetic energy is transferred to atoms. So atoms vibrate with large amplitude. So because of this, the conductor gets heated up, right? So conductor gets heated. So thus in a conductor, an amount of energy is dissipated as heat in the conductor during the interval of time delta T. So heat generated in the conductor should be equal to work done delta W, that should be equal to Vi delta T. Work done should be equal to change in kinetic energy according to work energy theorem. So this implies delta W by delta T is equal to V into I. But delta W by delta T is rate of dissipation of energy, which is nothing but power dissipated. So power dissipated, if I call it as P, that is equal to V into I. So this is the expression for electrical power dissipated in the circuit. So here from Ohm's law we know that V is equal to I into R. If you substitute for V here, you will get P is equal to I square into R. This is one equation for power. Otherwise you can substitute for I is equal to V by R. So if you substitute that, you can get V is equal to P is equal to V square by R. So this is expression for power in terms of potential difference and current. This is in terms of current and resistance. This is in terms of potential difference and resistance. So depending on the situation, we can use these equations. So this is derivation for electrical energy and power dissipated in a electrical circuit.